Run-flat tires are designed to keep vehicles moving even after a puncture, making them crucial for military and armored vehicles that operate in demanding environments. The run-flat insert is carefully placed onto the shields and precisely centered to ensure proper balance, which is especially critical for military vehicles like MRAPs or APCs. The shields are then tightened evenly using remote controls, which are equipped with emergency stop buttons to allow operators to work safely from up to 50 meters away. The tire is positioned over the shields and checked for secure seating, with additional lubrication applied for smooth operation. The safety shield is then angled inside the tire for extra protection. Our run-flat tire changers offer advanced safety features, including a robust safety shield crafted from durable materials to prevent tire ejection, and a secure chain mechanism that holds the tire firmly during mounting and dismounting. With an impressive opening capacity of 100 centimeters, our run-flat shields are designed to handle larger tires, featuring a segmented, polygonal design that prevents slippage. A security table is placed beneath to catch the tire in case of accidental drops, protecting both operators and hydraulic systems. And a safety chain is installed to stabilize the entire setup. Central to this is our innovative run-flat tire changer, engineered to handle heavy-duty tires while prioritizing operator protection and operational precision. At GM Defensive, our state-of-the-art workshop follows a model focused on safety and efficiency. Using a crane, the tire is gently lifted off the compression shields to avoid damage, and the run-flat is centered inside the tire to complete the installation. This thorough process, combined with GM Defensive's advanced machinery, ensures that military vehicles like Humvees and APCs maintain reliability and mobility in tough conditions. Our workshop model, guided by a commitment to high standards of safety and performance, delivers the precision and reliability needed for critical military operations.